In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson Stylus NX510 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for Epson Stylus NX510 support, and you should be directed to a Google link up near the top. This is Epson.com. Epson Stylus NX510. Go ahead and open that up. And now scrolling down again, you want to select your operating system from the drop-down list and then select Go. And then scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package. Download that. And then once it's on your system, just go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher. Select Yes. This file contains the Epson Stylus NX510 and NX515 drivers and utility combo package. Click OK to continue. Go ahead and just select that to continue with the process here. And it's a pretty straightforward process from here. Just follow along with whatever your personal individualized preferences are for certain settings and configuration changes. And that's all you have to do. So like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.